Hello guys, what's up everyone? Today's my race course and we're going to have a fly. But before we start flying, we have a minute silent. Well, it's been exactly 1 year since we lost Tommy. And as a result, we'll have a minute silent before we start flying. So, it's sad really. So, minute begins. Right, time's up. Anyway, jet complete. Vulcan Bomber, here we go. Well, we're going to hand launch it at third throttle. So, just get my hands comfy. Don't want to catch the pusher. Oh shit, hot air balloon. Sorry for language. Just have to keep a close distance. Hey Tommy, hope you're watching this video. It's time to enjoy the view of this beautiful Vulcan Bomber, my legendary aircraft, built by Graham Dorschell. I got it last Saturday, put my own electronics in. It's a fantastic model. So having a fly in honour to memory the loss of Tommy the dog, who passed away last year at the exact time. I remember it was Wednesday night. Although 1 year ago on Wednesday night I was at Oliver's Mount with my friend Chris Hartley. We were both flying nitro over that night to honour the loss of my dog. In case you didn't know Tommy the dog, he was a beautiful dog. He's got too old. He was 14 years old when he passed away, but he was such a lovely dog. But now we got Lukey, and Lukey's a brilliant dog so far, and I'm pretty confident that the spirits has been passed on to Lukey. So yeah, we've got plenty of good years to come with Lukey. So yeah. Anyway guys, I'm gonna have to land because we've got hot air balloon filling up, so I've got to land. So yeah, flight's cutting short, so here we go. Perfect landing. Well guys, I can't do any more flying until this is out of my way. So, well, I could go this way if I want to, but yeah, it's a bit of a risk. We'll have to, we don't want to cause problems. So, yeah, short, sweet fly, but yeah, we'll just let these people do their job. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, and see you next time. All the best. Goodbye, everyone.